Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nenye. For those of you visiting for the first time, a warm welcome to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys take this opportunity and do so. And to my old subscribers, may God bless you guys. You guys are awesome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare my roasted plantain and my roasted mackerel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, in today's recipe, I'll be using mackerel fish, ripe plantain. You can roast both unripe and ripe plantain. Ripe plantain is my favorite. I like this one so much. Chili, soya spices, lemon, olive oil, black pepper, onions, and the garlic. So guys, this is all we'll be using in today's recipe. I'm going to take a bowl to mix all these spices together. I'm going to add chili, garlic. I like garlic a lot, so I always put enough garlic in my food. Onions, soya spices. Oh, this is black pepper. I'm going to add black pepper. I'm going to cut the lemon into two. I'll be using half of it. Wait, this one. I'm going to add oil, but it will not be much. Yeah, this one is okay. I'll be adding small salt to it. Our sauce is ready. I'm going to preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 180 degrees. Use a sharp knife to cut the skin of each side of the mackerel, just like this. The reason why I'm doing this is so that the spices can enter inside very well. I've already washed the fish. As you can see, I've removed the dirty part already. I'm going to season the fish with the sauce I mixed earlier. Make sure you put it very well so that it will enter inside. Right now I'm going to roast it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Take a sharp knife to peel off the plantain skin. Guys, this is not banana. In Nigeria, we do not cook, roast or fry banana. After peeling the plantain skin off, sprinkle some salt on it. This will make it to have taste. At this point, I'm going to check on the fish and know if it's okay. Then I can turn the other side. I'll just spread the remaining sauce now and then I'll put the plantain. So guys, let me check how it looks like now. As you can see, the roasted mackerel fish is ready and the plantain is ready equally. So I'm going to off the oven now. So guys, our yummy delicious roasted mackerel fish is ready and our roasted plantain is ready equally. Served with oba sauce. Oil bean is a native plant in tropical region in Africa. In Nigeria, Igbo precisely, they call it oba or baka, and it's very nutritious. It's very nutritious. So my lovely ones, if you have found this video helpful, please like and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.